everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope you're ready to get back to work, start trading this week. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right, guys, let's go through the markets. We have a lot of information to go through. All right. Let's see here. Now, I want to start with big picture for the week. All right. So, big picture. I know we had some selling last week. But guys, we are back on track, right? We are bullish. All right. So big update on the Dow. Dow was up, and this really what turned things around last week. Dow finished up 574 points for the week. S&P was up, Russell was up, NASDAQ was down. But let me show you guys what's going on here. All right. Dow, big picture, still holding all-time high, guys. It's right here, held right here, right, and right. Looks like price wants to get back, all right, to that resistance. We'll see what it does this week. This is the Dow, big picture, weekly time frame. All right, the S&P. All right, holding. Look at the S&P holding above the all-time high, holding above resistance. Buy signal here. All right, very encouraging there. The Nasdaq. All right, holding above resistance. All right, pull back a bit, but holding near its all-time highs. All right, this is the Nasdaq and the S&P. Did I do the S&P? All right, S&P, yeah, S&P holding here. Russell, all right, Russell, we'll take this for the Russell, guys. Russell holding above resistance, all green candles, all right, all-time highs all the way up here. But we'll take this type of price action for the Russell as long as it's not consolidating between support and resistance here. All right, the dollar consolidating, just holding right here. We can bring this up a bit right in here. All right, on the dollar index. So not much happening with the dollar index. All right, we just needed to break out one way or the other. But right now, right, it's just consolidating, holding right here. All right, pound yen, guys. Pound yen. Look at pound yen. Don't give up on this, on the yen pairs long. All right, pound yen, big picture, weekly time frame. Look at that, guys. All right, just holding here, all-time highs right here on pound yen. Look at that, right here at resistance. Okay, so any pullback, be careful when we do counter trend trade on the yen pairs. Okay, if you're gonna trade those counter trend trades, trade lightly. All right, meaning that if we go short, and we might go short, especially on the smaller time frame, all right, with these yen pairs, just know these are counter trend. We're going against the trend. All right, now we could catch a decent move. Just remember, counter trend, trade lightly, be quick on those. Okay. All right. Let's see here. The VIX. I want to show you guys what's going on with the VIX. You guys know this big picture. We haven't looked at the VIX as far as big picture weekly time frame. So we'll start doing that to really get a gauge on the equity markets. As you guys know, right, when the VIX moves higher, this is volatility. Equity market stocks do not like volatility. All right, so we can use the VIX volatility index. See here, volatility index right here. You guys can see that right here, volatility index. Right, when the VIX moves higher, volatility increases, bad for stocks. All right, when the volatility index, the VIX moves lower, good for stocks. A number under 20 is good. 20 is right here. We're sitting at 1292. So we had a nice move down. All right, move from 14, I think 14 and change, back to 1292. But I want to show you guys the support here on the VIX. All right, the last time the VIX was right here at this amount, we were very, very bullish. 2019, 2020. All right, it got really low down to, and this is really low, guys, down to about 9, 2017. Very, very bullish for the markets. So it's holding at support right now. All right, right at 12, right, 12, 13, right here. So what we're looking for is perhaps a break. If we break through that support right here on the VIX, right, that's good support here, guys. Look here, really good support here. We break through that support, we could see equities move much higher. So keep that in mind. Big picture, and look at this here. We got a nice downward trend line. Okay, but we could see the VIX move higher too. But right now we're looking for a break of support. All right, Bitcoin still holding at 67,000. All right, for Bitcoin to move higher, we need to get it past resistance here, which is about 70, uh, near the highs, I would say about 74,000. It's holding about above 64,000. That's a big deal. So that's great for Bitcoin. All right, breaks below 64,000. That's a concern. Currently holding above 64,000. No buy signal. All right. So if you want to, scalp it, you can certainly do that. I would be careful, but we do not have a buy signal on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. All right. And same for Ethereum. All right. We do have a buy signal here for Ethereum, but let's see here, right here. So there's a buy signal right here, but definitely I would wait. It's trading between support and resistance. Use Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leader. All right, so use Bitcoin. All right. US 30 traders, over US 30 traders. Hopefully, you guys got on this trade. All right. We send out a lot of messages, a lot of alerts. All right. So, hopefully, you guys caught this trade. All right. Two great shorts. All right. I think we waited on this one here, but this one we send out, right? Sell short signal was right here. We send this out right about in here. Great short going here. All right. And then we've got long. We've got a long trade for our US 30 traders, right? We call this on Friday on a buy signal with that market doing really well, called a buy signal right here and holding firm. Guys, this from here to here, great trade. All right, great trade so far. Now, if you guys look here, and we'll go through current positions. All right, but if you look here, especially with US 30 traders, all right, Monster US 30 held support on the daily time frame here. All right, held support on Friday. What we are hoping with the VIX behaving so nicely. All right, markets were down. The Dow was up big on Friday, and we'll look at the daily charts. Okay, what we'd like to see buyers come on back in, start testing the high here on the US 30, and that will help. All right, that will certainly help the buy signal here on the 60-minute. Okay, that's strong buying here. It's holding. Futures market just opened up, so it's holding right here. Our goal, all right, now it's just a goal, all right, is to get all the way back up here. Now we do have some short-term resistance or near-term resistance right here. All right, so keep an eye on that. All right, previous support right here becomes resistance. It's holding firm here. Let's do this. Get closer to that price action here. All right, just like this. All right, so we have a nice buy signal. Those of you who got in, so good short. Look here. Good shorts here. Now, very good long. All right, so US 30 trading really well. So our US 30 traders, all right, we can ask for a better run with the US 30 60-minute time frame. All right, buy signal here holding firm. We need to get past resistance here. Right now, we just need to get to resistance right here, hold above resistance, and then next target all the way up here. All right, so if that price action on the daily gets back, all right, We have some near-term support right here. Let's bring that in right here. All right. Support becomes resistance. All right. Here we are. We just need buyers to come on in, break through here, get some white candles, green candles, test that resistance here. Okay. We could see that buy signal here move all the way up. All right. Might be a bit challenging, rocky. You know how it trades, right? Won't be a straight line. Could get some consolidation like this, but that's the goal. All right. That's the goal. Very well. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at equity markets. All right, here is the VIX here, 1292. All right. On the Nasdaq, we're holding. On the S&P, we're holding. On the Russell, we've got green candles that came back. All right, on Friday, and then here, I know we have red candles here, but we held support here. We'll bring that up a little bit. We need buyers to come on in. This is the Dow right here, and all the sectors are holding firm except for three. All right, so home construction, all right, energy and transportation, they're down. The rest of the sectors are all up. All right, very well. Dollar index right here, futures down currently, just holding right here. All right. All right. So current positions. Let's get to it. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. Let's go through those current trades. Long positions. Monster Scalper. All right. 60 minute. All right. USD HKD. USD HKD currently holding its buy signal here. All right, holding here. Keep an eye on it, guys. We've got resistance right here. So we just need that price action to hold and continue to move higher. If it gives you a white candle here, you might want to close the trade. Okay, buy signal here, holding here. Previous trades wasn't bad. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All right, but again, it's the dollar index, dollar pairs. Keep an eye on it. EURPLN, that trade closed. Okay, so we should be out of Euro PLN. EURPLN buy signal was here on a break of resistance, broke support right up here. Red candle, closed the trade. So bought here, sold here, closed the trade. Please, EURPLN in Monster Scalper. NZD JPY. So your yen pairs, all right, yen pairs. NZD JPY. Let's bring in your trend lines. All right, here's your markdown phase. Mark up. All right, buy signal here. Looks good to break through that resistance. Hopefully that happens overnight. All right. So let's bring that. Let's keep it right here. Buy signal here looks good to break through. New Zealand yen, Euro yen. All right, Euro yen. All right, same thing. All right, here's your markdown phase. I know these are high buy signals, guys. That doesn't mean they can't move higher. All right. Ideally, we would like that buy signal to come in right here, came in here. That's fine. Notice how these are waiting. All right. To break through that resistance right here. Buy signal here. Good buildup of buyers here. Higher lows right here. All right. Looking to break through that resistance. Okay. And currently they're up. Euro yen. SGD JPY. Same thing. All right, markdown phase here, mark up. All right, buy signal here, near-term resistance here, breaking through that resistance. And we need to get to further resistance here. All right, SGD JPY, this is 60 minutes, okay? Aussie yen. All right, same thing. Don't you love it when these are all lining up like this? Perfect. And remember, these yen pairs will follow the equity markets. Equity markets had a big update on Friday. Traders will remember that price action. All right, so they look to buy the yen pairs. Anything can happen. You know, this can change, but that's the move right now. All right. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, getting past resistance here, and we've got more resistance. This whole area here is resistance. So if we break through, guys, we could see a nice pop higher. Aussie yen, pound yen. All right, same thing. Pound yen. Look at pound yen. And pound yen, some of you have made some really good trades with pound yen. All right, 60-minute time frame. Look at this, guys. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very profitable trades. Pound yen, 60-minute, and we have a current buy signal here. If you guys are not trading pound yen, get on top of it. All right, buy signal here. Good markdown phase. Hold on one second here. All right, good markdown phase. All right. All right. Markdown phase here. Perfect setup. Perfect setup. And just great 5 profitable trades with pound yen. All right. When was the last time we saw that, guys? Pound yen can be choppy, but trading well right now. All right. Buy signal here, and we've got resistance right here. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. Pound yen. Did we miss any? CAD yen. All right. CAD yen. We missed CAD yen. Let's do CAD yen. Yen pairs. Continues to be the best trade right now in Forex. Okay. Here's your markdown phase. Mark up. Again, these are high buy signals, but that's fine. Okay. All right, buy signal here. Look at that price action. Good price action, moving up nicely, and resistance is here. Okay. All right. Good price action here. CAD yen. All right. New Zealand dollar, same thing. So New Zealand dollar, those are the inverse of the dollar pairs. All right. Here is your discount. All right. Bring in your trend lines. Okay. Even if you've been trading with us for a while, still bring in your lines. Okay. Help you stay in the trade. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Sellers are here. We need to get past resistance here. Sellers are here, here, and here. All right. So New Zealand dollar, pound dollar. Okay. Same thing. Not as clean in here. Good support down here. Look at that. Good support here. Good resistance up here. All right. All right. Perfect. And then Aussie dollar, same thing. You guys see the pattern here? All right. Good support down here. And this on the 60-minute. Okay. 60-minute time frame. Not the 240. We'll look at the 240 in a minute. All right. All right. Good price action held. All right. Retrace held, moving up nicely here. Aussie dollar. I want to take a quick look at euro dollar. All right. Quick look at euro dollar. See if we have anything here. EUR, USD. All right. So euro dollar will add euro dollar. Okay. EUR, USD long, in Monster Scalper 60 minute. Okay, euro dollar, same thing. All right. And look at that resistance, guys. Look at that. Resistance is right here. Boy, if we can get up to that resistance breakthrough, we could see a good move. All right, mark down, mark up. Right here. Buy signal, just holding. Buyers are holding. Previous resistance becomes support. They're holding. Need that price action to continue to move higher. All right. Break through that resistance there. 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. All right. So red candle here. So nothing here. Close the trade. New Zealand CAD. All right. Let's take a second look at dollar USD HKD. Okay, it's holding for right now. All right. All right. Let's do 240 long and then we'll do the shorts, okay? 240-minute. So the forward time frame long in Monster Scalper. All right, Swiss yen, CHF, JPY. Guys, look at that US 30. It's holding, continuing to move higher. All right, this could be a great trade there. Monster US 30 traders. Okay. All right. Swiss yen. Good trade going here, guys. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. Look at that. Moving up nicely here. All right. We got a high right here. Looking to break through. Great trade going here. That's for about what? 200, little bit 200 pips there. Swiss yen. CAD yen. All right. Buy signal here. Fairly new buy signal. Yeah, right here. All right. Moving up nicely here. Early in the move. CAD yen. We'll take a look at overnight. We'll take a look at, see if we can find more yen positions. I don't know if we'll have time to do it on here. But we look for more yen positions, buy signals on the 240. Dollar pairs, USD HUF, buy signal here, really good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. Buy signal here and moving higher here. Keep an eye on these dollar pairs, though. You guys know they've been tricky. All right, they've been tricky. USD HUF, good setup here. We just needed to continue to move higher. All right, but remember, as the pound pairs move higher, equity markets move higher, that will put pressure on the dollar to come on down. All right. That will interfere with the long dollar pairs here. All right. But we have them here. USD HUF, USD DKK. All right. See here, buy signal here, red candle, close that trade. Please, USD DKK. USD PLN, same thing here. Buy signal, big red candle, close the trade. All right. All right. USD CZK, same thing. Buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. All right. Get out of these trades. When those sellers come in like these guys, they can break support here and move much lower, like here. The dollar index, right? That if it breaks through, it's consolidating right now. It's down. If it breaks through, we have a trend line here and we've got support right here. If it breaks through, we could see that dollar index move. Now, we don't have a buy signal on the dollar index. Okay, that buy signal closed. So that price can go anywhere. Okay, it can go anywhere. So just be careful with these dollar trades, right? They're not the best trades right now. Okay, they're not the best trades. So USD CZK, close the trade. Your yen long, that's the better trade. All right. USD MXN buy signal here, that's still holding. Keep an eye on it though. All green candles looks good. Keep an eye on it. Euro ZAR. All right. ZAR pairs have been performing well, guys. So buy signal here, moving up nicely. And we have resistance right here. Let's bring this. Okay, resistance right here. So it looks to get to that resistance. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. It's on the 240. I would reduce my time frame as it gets near resistance to 60, 30-minute time frame. See how the price reacts. All right. We want to make sure sellers not coming in like this. So, right, it's holding firm now, but reduce that time frame as it gets higher, okay, to that resistance, because this is where we've got sellers. We know sellers are here, all right? They're here in a big way, right here and right here. So keep an eye on that, okay? Euros are, and then pounds are. Here we are, pounds are. Good trade here, buy signal here. Pounds are is holding right here. Same thing, right? Reduce that time frame, right? You might not want to close it quickly here because we got all green candles. It is getting past that resistance there, but I would keep it on that 240. Find another time frame. Use your smaller time frames, okay? And just make sure buyers are holding on that 30, 60-minute time frame. All right. Hopefully we can get a move, a nice big pop, move past these sellers here. All right. That's how we want to play that. Okay. So pounds up. So long positions in Monster Scalper, 60-minute and the 240. Let's take a look at the shorts, short positions on the 60-minute first in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. We're expecting a good week, guys. Should be a good week this week. Hopefully, not a lot of crazy volatility. We want volatility in Forex, but we need nice, smooth volatility. Try to stick with the yen pairs if you can. All right. Short. All right. HKD JPY. All right. We talked about this counter trend trade in the yen pairs. Those haven't worked out. Okay. So just be careful. We might really not look at those anymore. Okay. Sell short signal here. Buy to cover. Green candle. Broke resistance. Close the trade, please. Okay. Pound yen. Buy to sell short here, buy to cover here, close the trade. I think this got in closer down here, but close the trade, guys. Look, buyers are coming in all green candles, so clean things up. Should be long out of those. ZAR yen, all right, closed its short trade. All right, this one didn't do too bad here. So ZAR yen closed that trade. Sell short signal here. All right, buy to cover, close the trade. Euro yen, buy buy sell short, buy to cover here. I think we got in about right down in this area here. With these guys, when you even on the 60-minute, when they fall like this, all right, bring in your smaller time frames. All right. So if you're trading on a 60-minute, might want to bring in a 15, 5-minute time your entries, your exits. All right, so that you're not giving back a lot of profit on these. Okay. So EUR, JPY, especially if you've been trading with us for a while. If you're brand new, follow the signals. But if you've been trading with us for a while, all right, manage those exits. All right, stay with your entries. All right, stay with the signals for the entries, but the exits you can manage out of that. Same thing here. CAD yen, close that trade, please. And New Zealand yen, same thing. Buy sell short, buy to cover here. All right. Should be all of this a long time ago. New Zealand yen. As a matter of fact, we long on those trades. Okay. Those are from last Thursday. All right. New Zealand yen closed that trade. SGD, JPY, same thing here. All right. On the 240, let's take a look here on the 240. Might have to do the same on the 240. Let's take a look. All right, just clean things up. All right, forward time frame, CAD yen. All right, should be out of that trade right here, CAD yen. All right, euro yen. Sell short here. All right, close the trade. Now we talked about this, that this trend line here, guys, we could see buyers come on back in. So no surprise there, right? We're hoping for a further move down, but all right, same thing here. Euro yen. All right, Aussie yen, same thing. Buyers are coming in. So we'll take, let's see here, 240. We'll take a quick look, 240 long yen pairs in Monster Scalper. So we'll take a quick look at just the yen pairs long on the 240. ZAR yen is still holding, okay, but keep an eye, yellow support and resistance here. So we're getting higher lows within the markdown phase. We have support here. All right, keep an eye on this. Might want to reduce that time frame to manage your exit there. ZAR yen, we'll keep it for now. All right, Aussie yen, close that trade, please. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is holding for now. All right, so sell short signal is here. That's holding for now. All right, but keep an eye on it. That Aussie Swiss, all the Aussie pairs, Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, they all go with the yen pairs. Okay, so we could see buyers come in quickly here. All of a sudden, we're moving up again. Okay, so be careful there. Same with New Zealand, Swiss. Sell short signal here. We'll leave it for now, but if you guys are anyone trading it, just yellow support and resistance. That's not good in the markdown phase. Okay, so we got higher. See here, higher lows right here. So I mean, it's holding right here, but keep an eye on it. Very right. Overall trend is up, and the way the market's been doing, right, it loves to be bullish right now. So we could see buyers come in, move higher. All right, we'll hold it here for now. Okay. All right. All right. Equities. Do we have time? Okay. Equities. And then we'll take a look at yen pairs long on the 240. We might have some opportunities there. Okay. We only have two. Let's see if we can find some more. All right. All right. Stock boss. We'll go through this quickly. AMC and GameStop first. All right, AMC, guys, white candles here, but it's holding, right? Hopefully we get a pop this week. Markets are bullish this week. We could get a move higher. It's holding right here. GameStop. All right, GameStop is holding firm, moving up nicely here. All right, so we had a big pullback here, but it's right recapturing, filling that gap here. That's good. That's good. Trying to fill that gap. For GameStop, we need to get back above 26. All right, so this is where the gap down. All right, gap down. It has some gaps in here, but right here is where we're concerned about right now. We need to fill in that gap. Need some buyers to come in this week and get back above 26, 27 right here. Okay. All right. So they're holding ORGN. All right. That's holding. ALLK. That's holding. Keep an eye on this one here. White candles here holding support. Keep an eye on that. EBS. All right. Nice big candle on Friday right here. Looks good. ME. All right. ME. All right. That's holding. ADTN. That's holding. TAC. That's holding. We'll take a look. Bullmaster. I've got a lot of information to go through tomorrow on Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro and Stock Boss. We look to add positions with equities tomorrow. All right. Now, if equities are up, We always want to add on an up day. If it's a down day tomorrow, we'll wait. Okay. Always add your look for positions when the market, when the equity markets, if it's up. If it's down, all right, for that day, do not add. Okay. Always add when the market is up. All right. Where am I? Okay. Monster scalper. All right. 240. We want to look for long positions in the yen pairs on the 240-minute time frame. Okay. Let's go through these. See if we can find anything. USD JPY. We might have a buy signal coming in. Keep an eye on that. But you know, with the dollar pair, that's tricky. SGD JPY on the daily looks good, right? Here's that trend on that daily. All we're waiting for is a buy signal here on the 240. Green candles, buyers are coming in. All right, so we have good resistance here. We just need a buy signal. So our monster scalper traders, right, keep an eye not only on the 60-minute, on the 240 for buy signals in these yen pairs. So SGD JPY, New Zealand yen. All right, you guys know we have a buy signal on the 60. Look at that daily. Nice trend here on that daily. Look at that. Looks good. Follow the overall trend. And then here we are. Great previous trades. On the 240, all we need is a buy signal here. All right, so we need price to get past resistance here, and we're close. We'll get a buy signal on New Zealand yen, setting up nice there. All right, but no buy signal yet, so just wait. HKD JPY, same thing here. Need to get past resistance, buy signal there. So we don't have buy signals yet. They're just waiting. Pound yen, our monster US 30 traders. If you guys are not trading pound yen, shame on you. Shame on you. If you guys are not, listen, we had Monica. We send out a success story on Monica. Just started trading with us and traded pound yen. Okay, so if our season Forex, a monster scalper trader for Forex, if you guys are not trading the yen pairs, especially pound yen, shame on you guys. Shame on you. Okay, all right. So here is resistance here. All right, nice green candles coming in. All right, all we need is a break of resistance here and another buy signal. Okay, so pound yen, big mover here. All right. And Monica, great job. All right, great job trading pound yen. Okay, so pound yen, all we need is a buy signal. And look at the daily. And we know we talked about the big picture. Look at the daily right here. And big picture on pound yen, guys, it's breaking new highs. All right. So here it is right here. Pound yen. Look at that weekly time frame. Look at this right here. All right. So we should be all over pound yen. All over pound yen. Okay, where am I? Oh, monster scalp. Almost done. All right, so pound yen, euro yen trades almost identical, okay, to pound yen. All right, so uh, overall trend is up. All right, we can see that here. Overall trend is up. All right. And we just need buyers are coming in, holding resistance here. Just need a break of resistance. We'll get a buy signal. Daily time frame. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All right. From the beginning of the year, January. Look here. Just this move here. This was from January this year, right? Look at that. Now I know it's choppy, a bit choppy in here, but still we can catch. We've caught some really good moves in the yen pairs. Okay. All right. So hold on. So euro yen. Let's move this back. That's the 240. All right, euro yen. Swiss yen. All right, look at Swiss yen, guys. All right, are we in Swiss yen? I think we're in Swiss yen. Yes. I think we're in Swiss and CAD yen. Buy signal here. All right. Too late for Swiss yen on the 240. Okay. So look for opportunities on the 60-minute time frame, Swiss yen. Okay. And CAD yen. All right. Buy signal here, holding firm here. And then Aussie yen, no buy signal yet. Wait for a buy signal. Let me just make sure. Um, yes, so we are long Swiss and CAD yen. All right. Just wait, guys. Wait patiently for the next buy signals. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, you guys know we've been very, very active on the 60-minute. Just be alert, be on alert. Okay. For those signals. Okay. All right. Okay. Um, our US 30 traders. Just remember, I'm going to remove this here. Just remember that I know the US 30, it's fast, it's futures, it's fast. Okay. Um, there's nothing to do here. All right. There's nothing to do here. We have no new support and resistance lines. Okay. So, right. So just follow your process. Okay. We can't do anything until we get new. So when we get new support and resistance lines, then we pay attention. Right now, there's nothing to do. All right. Buyers are definitely in control. So you'll get new support and resistance lines, kind of like here, these here. All right. Within the price. Once that happens, then you can pay closer attention to it. Okay. The goal is we want it. We need yellow support and resistance. All right. Once those come in, pay attention to it. Okay. Make sure that we are holding near resistance and continue to break resistance levels all the way up. Okay. Do not, if you're trading the US 30 right now, 60-minute, do not screw up this trade. I hate to say it like that. All right. This is where we mess up. Okay, we see all those profits in here, right? If we got in on that buy signal, see all those profits, we want to take those profits. Okay, but you guys know we don't get trading opportunities like this every day with the US 30. All right, so be patient. Okay, just like we were on the way down here, we need to be patient on the way back up. We'll wait for your new support and resistance lines to come in. Okay, wait for that price action. If you get a white candle, then pay really close attention. Get a red candle, sell signal by your system, white arrow here, get out. Okay, all right, we need some good runs, and we're getting it from the US 30 right now. We had some good shorts here, good shorts here. This is a good long, but we don't want to mess that trade up. All right. So just let it do its thing. Okay. And the goal is hopefully we can get it all the way back up here. If it can get all the way back up here, guys, or even if it's near here, that's a home run. You guys know the US 30 how it trades. Okay. If we can get all the way back up here on the 60-minute, that's a home run. That's a home run trade. Okay. Even on the way down, there were three trades. All right. Three trades here. All right. One, two, three. All right. Buyers are coming in. Markets are big on, almost 600 points on Friday. Traders will remember that. They'll want to buy, right? We could move. There's no big news, I don't think, coming out in the New York session. Okay. So we could see it move higher. So our US 30 traders, all right, that's why you guys have the system. This is why you trade. This is why we wait for those moves. All right. So when they come, they don't come in all the time, right? Things can be choppy sometimes. All right. So this one here is a perfect buy signal. We call this, we want to stay in it, manage the trade all the way to the end. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great trading week. I think based on how things are setting up, we should have a great trading week. All right. All right, guys. Take care. See everyone tomorrow. Take care. Good trading. Bye bye.